gotta have me some spray Lysol because y'all know that corona is going around. Bitch won't get me. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chelsea if you're new, and in today's video we're going to be doing like a pack with me. So I'm going to Puerto Rico on Friday, so I have to get all my shit together. As some of you may know, I'm quite a bit of a overpacker, but this time I'm not taking a suitcase because I just don't want to pay for luggage, and we're going to Puerto Rico, if I haven't already said that. And I don't really need that many clothes, just really swimsuits, shorts, stuff like that. So I don't really have, the stuff isn't really heavy, so I should be able to fit it all in my carry-on. So that's what we're going to try to do. But I do have a lot of pieces. I probably got too much stuff laid out, but it doesn't matter. I'm bringing it all because I'm just a person, I just have to go up my mood. I may pack something for Saturday, but when Saturday come, I don't want to wear that. So with that being said, I need like 3 outfits for each day. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm bringing to Puerto Rico, make sure you keep on watching. So this pack with me will kind of be vlog style. It's not going to be no, with all the lights and everything. As you can see, I don't even have no makeup on. We're just chilling. My room is a freaking mess. Like, literally, I've been trying to get all my pieces together, figuring out what exactly I want to bring. So I got like everything pretty much laid out for the most part, except for like I still have to get some sleeping clothes together, so I gotta get probably like 2 sets of pajamas. I need to get, oh my god, and don't mind that over there, y'all. My room is a mess. Like, not even trying to be funny, but my room is a hot mess. And one thing that's preventing me from cleaning up the room is this big ass pile of clothes right here. So that's why I'm just about to do this pack with me and get it over with so I can clean the room. Because one thing, y'all, like this video if you can't stand when you leave your house dirty and you come back and your house is still dirty. Like, if you're going on vacation or you're taking a trip, clean your house before you leave, because when you get back home, you're not going to feel like it. Like, period. So if you agree with that, like this video. But anyways, so yeah, for the most part, I got 2 pair. So basically what all this stuff is laid out is, that's 2 pair of shorts because I don't know which ones I'm going to want to wear. So I got 2 pair of shorts. For ATVs, I'm going on a girls trip. Don't know if I mentioned that either, but we're wearing all black, so I brought 2 black bodysuits because I don't know which ones I'm going to wear. And my Vans, because don't really care about those, so those can get dirty. Over here, I have 2 white camis that's going to go with one of the jean short outfits. Had to bring 2 because I don't know what I want to wear. And then over here is just another bodysuit, a lime green dress, and then a red dress because we are going to do dinner one night and we all decided to wear red. So that's the red dress. Over here are just some more outfit options for whenever. This is like a 2-piece set. This is like a crop top shirt, and then we have some swimsuits right here. And I also put some swimsuits inside of this little bamboo purse just because I am only taking a carry-on and I need all the room. This is like a kimono. We got a skirt, a romper. So yeah, we just have a lot of stuff. And then of course we have how many pair of sandals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pair of sandals, a pair of heels, a pair of tennis shoes, a whole bunch of accessories, and a few bags. So the first thing I'm about to do is, I don't know where I got this from, but it's definitely finna come in handy. It's like a little ziplock baggie. I'm just about to fit my accessories in here so that they are separated and won't get all tangled up. So yeah, I'm just about to put all the accessories in here. fit in here except for these bracelets. So what I'm going to do is, since I said I'm saving room, I'm putting stuff inside of stuff. So I'm going to take this purse, which I got this from Ross. It is super cute. When I seen this, it made me think of Puerto Rico. So, and it's so cute. We're just going to stuff our accessories in here. So on the inside, it's so cute. It's like floral. So yeah, we're just going to put the accessories in here, and they will be nice and safe. And then button that back up. So now we got our accessories all packed away. Here is the carry-on that I'm carrying. It's just like a pink duffel bag that I got from Victoria. I meant pink, probably around whenever they was having a sale, so probably around Christmas time. And it looks like this. This thing can really pack a lot of stuff. Right now I just have some water shoes in here. So the first thing I'm going to pack is all of my shoes. I'm gonna put all my shoes on the bottom, and then I'm gonna put my clothes on top. Look how cute these shoes are. These are so freaking cute. I told my mama, I was like, these are giving me straight 2000 baby boy vibes. Like, this is the look. Like, ooh, these are so cute. And I actually got these from a store locally called It's Fashion Metro, but it's by a brand called Bamboo, which I know they sell everywhere. So maybe you can check like Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Things, something like that, if you're interested in these. Alright, so now I have all the shoes at the bottom. Now we can really just go in and start putting the clothes. Like I said, I have a lot of clothes, but it's not really a lot of clothes because they can all be like folded really smally. So these are two pair of shorts. Both of these shorts are super duper cute, and I got these from there we go. I got both these pair of shorts from Forever 21. Forever 21 has some really nice shorts, so check them out if you are looking for shorts. But I've had both of these for probably like 2 years. Two white camis. I really want to put these inside of something because they are white. See, look how small these shirts can be folded down. Let's see. We're gonna just put them inside of this little clutch. I probably won't even wear this, but I just feel like I need to bring it. Alright, so next up we have our two black options for ATVs. They're both bodysuits. One comes from Forever 21 and this one comes from Fashion Nova. Now we're gonna do swimsuits. All of my swimsuits I've been had, but I just never wore them. So both of these swimsuits come from Forever 21, but like a year ago. Put that in there. And then I have two more swimsuits inside of this purse. This is just like a rainbow one, and then this is like a tropical one. And both of these are just like cover-ups. These are some sheer cover-ups. Got these from Fashion Nova. Put all of that in there. This romper is super duper cute. I'm not really going to show y'all right now. Y'all just have to follow me on Instagram to see it. But it comes from Fashion Nova. So we're going to stuff that in there. This is like a two-piece set from Forever 21. Stuff that in there. This pink cover-up kimono came from Walmart. Super cute. Put that in there. Like I said, it's plenty room in this bag. This is just a skirt, just in case. Here's another outfit that I've had for years. It's super cute. Tropical vibes. I got it from a local store called It's Fashion Metro. Oh. This is just a lime green dress, Fashion Nova. This dress is Pretty Little Thing. Then this orange bodysuit is Fashion Nova. Stuff all of that in there. And then we're going to put these purses on top. Now, the only thing I'm concerned about is the bag is pretty full right now. And the only thing I really do still have to pack is my makeup. So, but my best friend is doing a carry-on. I mean, doing a suitcase. So I may just put my makeup in her luggage because I don't know if your girl gonna have any room left. So yeah. And it's pretty heavy. But I need all this stuff. I'm not letting up. And as far as like a personal item, I'm going to carry my Louis Vuitton purse, my I was going to call it never full, my Speedy 35. So I'll show y'all what all I'm going to pack in there as well. I forgot to show y'all one pair of shoes. Look how freaking cute these house slippers are. They're like this really, really pretty mauve pink color. And these came from Walmart and they feel so freaking good. And they are like the thong ones. So these are going to be super duper cute. So have to find a place for these in this bag. Because this bag is almost filled to capacity already. But I put like everything I needed in there. So it's really no big deal. The only thing I still need to pack is toiletries. Toiletries, socks, and sleeping clothes, and my makeup. Like I said, I'm gonna put my makeup in my bag or my best friend's bag, and yeah, so I should really be good. I just need to find a place for these real quick. Put these on the side right here. Okay, so let's see if we can get this thing zipped up. Alright, y'all, we got it zipped up. But I went to Walmart the other day and I got some stuff, like some little travel stuff. We're just gonna fit what we can fit in this Ziploc bag. I thought I had a bigger one, but I don't. Gotta have me some spray Lysol because y'all know that corona is going around. Bitch, it won't get me. So, oh, I got this. This is only 1 ounce, which is perfect. So this will be put in here, and this is going in my purse. I also picked me up a little deodorant. Bitch, really? Did I really do that? Oh no, this ain't mine. It's Dion's. I'm like, why would I pick up men's deodorant? So I picked up this little Degree deodorant. Put that in there. I just got these wipes because I already know I'm gonna be drunk this whole trip and I don't have time to be sitting here trying to do a whole skincare routine. So I just got these wipes and then a little bar soap that I'm gonna put in there, and I already had hand sanitizer, a small toothpaste from when we just came back from, I was gonna say Vegas, but Atlanta. Y'all, I tell y'all in every one of my pack with me, this is the go. I love to travel with these. Like if you like going to a hotel and the room stink, you can just spray this concentrated room spray. But I like to use these specifically for going to the bathroom. This will knock out all the smells. So yeah, they come from Bath and Body Works, and this is champagne toast. So we're just gonna pop that in there, and then the last thing that I need to fit is my little got to be glue gel. So this is like all of my travel little stuff. I still have a few more things I'm gonna pack. I gotta do my skincare and my makeup, but this is just like the you know, some of the stuff, and this is gonna go inside of. So here is my Speedy, y'all. This bag can hold so much stuff. It's like a black hole. So in here I just got my little Polaroid camera. my regular camera. I have my reusable straw. This is like a pouch with all my cards and everything. I have a pair of underwear in here just in case my period comes on. I gotta put a few pads in there too. Sunglasses. This is like the water thing so your phone won't get messed up. And then what else? Just like a little vlogging stick, a pair of socks, some more film for the camera, my little piece to transport my stuff from my camera, and then I'm putting this in there as well. So yeah. Oh yeah, and I gotta add my snacks. I just got like some gummy bears, stuff like that. So I gotta add that as well. I know I look rough. It's literally hours before it's time for us to leave. It's pretty late and I'm pretty tired. I have to wake up about 6 in the morning so I can do my makeup and get ready. Be to the airport by 8:45. So yeah. Everything is basically packed except for my makeup, which is right over there. I haven't packed it because, like I said, I'm doing my makeup in the morning, so I'll just pack that after I'm finished. But it's late. I'm tired. I'm repeating myself at this point. So thank you guys so much for watching this pack with me. I really hope you guys enjoy, and make sure to follow me on Instagram so you can see how I'm going to be styling my outfits. So until next time, you guys, bye.